If you're serious about doing well on the LSAT, like, this is the way. Yeah, I mean, it really, like, changed my life.
I got a 170. I got a full ride to the University of Florida, Levin Law School.
And then I ended up with a 176.
Was able to raise my score 10 points. So I am a living testament that this works.
And I was able to score 172.
And then my most recent LSAT, I got a 164.
I ended up finishing with a 166.
I feel like it's been really easy having the LSAT book with questions sorted by type. It's like everything is kind of set up for me, makes it really easy.
Any questions I had, they would always have an answer.
They were both always so encouraging, and they always helped keep me focused on what I was doing best, what I needed to work on, and it just made things less scary.
I really appreciated that people were flexible with scheduling.
And they were really adaptive to my learning style.
She was so on top of communication and just like being there, like not even just to like the actual like test itself, but also just talking through kind of like the admissions process in general and some of like the more like kind of like logistical things about the LSAT.
They really treat you like an individual, and your tutor's really good at working with you to think like, look at your specific weaknesses on the test.
Sure, everyone was always on time, prepared, had extra practice questions ready to go, drills ready to go, great explanations, super easy to work with, and yeah, really helpful for understanding all the different concepts on the test.
The first thing I noticed about him when we started was his enthusiasm and his passion. That's one of the reasons why me and Camille work so well together. Is like, man, this guy cares. Like, he really wants to help me get to this goal, and he did ultimately. So
But I wish I would have found it earlier because like I said, I only got to do like 3 to 4 sessions, but like those 3 to 4 sessions helped me.
I'm really pleased with the scholarship offers that I've been offered.
Penn also gave me some money. I got a 1/3 tuition scholarship as well.
Definitely think like the price ratio was really worth it in investing in tutoring because I think it got me a lot farther than I would have gotten on my own.
I think it's totally worth the investment.
The pricing was like very competitive. It was a lot better than a lot of the other tutoring services I was looking at, and the comparative quality was absolutely there.
Everyone's first instinct when they look at LSAT tutors is like, whoa, that costs so much. And it's like, well, the result, I mean, it's worth it, at least to me.
The LSAT, a lot of people will tell you, is one of the biggest things you'll undertake in your life, like right underneath the bar exam. So if you really want to do this, you really want to buckle down and focus on and put a lot of time towards, and Prep for Success just does a great job in helping you maintain a balance between, yes, studying for the LSAT, but also keeping a sense of normalcy in your day-to-day life. So it's not just you're spending hours and hours and hours on the LSAT and you get so burnt out. They do a great job of kind of balancing it.